Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial video of GTokenTool. Today I'm going to introduce to you how to use the market cap management robot on the GTokenTool platform. First we come to the market cap page, then connect to the mainnet. Here I will demonstrate it for you using the testnet. Next connect the wallet. We chose the Phantom wallet. After a successful connection, you can see the wallet address. Now, let's start the operation. First select the base token. We chose Sol, then select the target token. Enter the token address to search. After selection, the pool will be automatically searched. You can also manually click to search for the pool. Since I'm using the testnet, I need to enter the pool address myself. If you use the mainnet, there's no need for this. After successfully finding the pool, you can see the current price. Then we go back to the top. There are multiple modes to choose from here. I will first demonstrate the purchase mode. In this mode, the target price should be set higher than the current price. Then there are multiple ways to set the amount. Here we choose the fixed amount. The execution interval can also be set. I'll keep it at the default value here. If you don't fill in the RPC, it will be the default. You can also enter your own RPC. I'll use the default one here. Then I set the slippage to 10%. The pool type can also be selected by yourself. Then there's the gas. You can choose the default or fast option. Next sets the order execution times. If this is set, the trading will automatically stop. When the specified number of times is reached, there's no need to stop it manually. I set it to 2 times here. After enabling multi-threading, there is a competitive relationship between wallets. It's normal for a new wallet to have a failed transaction. It will be fine after 1 round of trading. Note that if you don't understand, don't set it. Just keep the default settings. Then we imported the wallet. Enter the wallet private key. Click confirm. We can see the amount of the target token in the wallet, as well as the amount of the base token and the wallet balance. Click here to delete the wallet. You can also click here to directly sell all the targeted tokens. Now we click start. There will be a trading log below. Okay, the transaction is completed now. We can refresh the wallet to check. Indeed, the transaction was successful. Now I will demonstrate the selling mode. In this mode, the target price should be set lower than the current price. Then for the amount, we still choose the fixed amount. Since I don't have much of the target token in my wallet now, I set it to 1 here. You need to pay attention to that. The selling amount cannot be greater than the balance in the wallet. Then the following settings are the same as in the purchase mode. We set the number of wash trading rounds to 1. When setting this, you also need to calculate the total selling amount carefully. Don't exceed the balance in the wallet. After settings, we click start. You can view the trading situation in real time in the trading log. Now the trading is over. We refresh the wallet to check if the transaction was successful. It can be seen that the transaction was indeed successful. Next I will demonstrate the brush trading volume mode. First we set the buying probability and selling probability. Then the buy amount can be set within a certain range. The percentage of the sold amount can also be set within a certain range. I set the minimum threshold for selling tokens to 1. The following settings are the same as in the previous 2 modes. Now we click start. You can view the trading situation in real time in the trading log. Now the trading has automatically ended. We refresh the wallet to check if the transaction was successful. It can be seen that the transaction was indeed successful. Well, that's the whole process. If you still have any questions, you can check our tutorial documents, or you can ask questions in our community. Okay, that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.